What's up, guys? It's Jason at Jp3 Motorsports coming at you with another product highlight. This time we're talking about the cross member bar on the FD RX7s. We've had quite a few of our customers ask if we can make these crossbar brackets, and what's happened over time is owners have either cut them off, damaged them, twisted them, or whatnot, and so these brackets are missing or taken off because they're installing some type of, their own V-mounts or whatnot, and they don't, they want to get it out of the way. But now guys want that crossbar back. If you're trying to install a Grady V-mount or any of these modern V-mounts, you're going to need that crossbar back in the engine bay. So we came up with an exact replica of the crossbar brackets, pre-drilled holes for the spot welds. These are made out of steel, CNC laser cut and bent. We got PEMserts, M6 threaded PEMserts installed. And so in order to install these, we include a 3D printed locating bracket. It's got a peg on the bottom, and that peg's gonna be clicked in there. And then you got one hole here, so you put one bolt there. And then what you're gonna do is put it up to each frame rail, and you'll have some reference points. So that way you know exactly where to weld these brackets back in. So once you have it clicked in, you bolt it down here, and you'll see on the passenger side on a left-hand drive car, you'll have two bolts locating the location for the cross member crossbar on this side, the bracket for the crossbar on this side. And then when we put it on the other side, same thing. You put a bolt there, and you'll have another bolt that locates it right there. Then you can tack it in, take the stock cross member or whatever cross member you're using, bolt it up and make sure that everything lines up, tack weld away, and you've got yourself a new set of OEM replica cross member brackets. All right, so we're gonna list these on the website. You're gonna get two of these, and these brackets are the same for either side. You're gonna get a locating jig for welding and spot welding that in, and we're gonna give you some M6 bolts to help you bolt this on, hold it on while you're tack welding the brackets in place. All right, that's a nice little solution, so you guys don't have to get or make your own brackets. And these are OEM replica with all the locating holes and everything else. Check it out, guys. It'll be on the website. If you like our stuff, please like, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.